Tired of Cloudflare caching your dynamic content and serving stale data to your users? Here is how to bypass cache for everything in under 5 minutes. All right, here is the plan. We will navigate Cloudflare's dashboard, create a cache rule, and deploy it. Let us start with your account. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Cloudflare account. Nothing tricky here. Just head to the dashboard where you manage all your sites. This is the home base for everything we are about to do. Now, click on the domain you want to configure. You will see a list of all your websites. Just pick the one that is causing the trouble with the old cached data. One click, and you are inside that site's settings. Over on the left side panel, you need to find and click on Caching. This is the section where all the magic happens. It is where you control how Cloudflare handles your website's files. And here's the thing. This is where a lot of people get stuck, but we are going to walk right through it. Under the Caching section, you will see an option for Cache Rules. Click on that. This opens up the rule engine where you can tell Cloudflare exactly what to do and what not to do with your content. Go ahead and click the Create Rule button. Now a new editor will pop up. You will see a few options here. Make sure that Cache Rules is selected at the top. This is one of those little details that trips people up, so we want to make sure we are in the right place. Now for the important part. Scroll down to the section labeled Cache Status. Click on that drop-down menu and choose Bypass Cache for everything. This is the setting that tells Cloudflare, do not store anything. Every single request goes straight to your origin server for fresh data. No more stale content. All right, now to speed things up a bit, look for the button that says Create from Template and click it. This gives us a clean starting point without having to set everything from scratch. It is a real time saver. Now, give your rule a name. Something descriptive like bypass all or no cache for dynamic. Just make it clear so you know exactly what this rule does when you look at it 6 months from now. With the name in place, you are ready to go. Click the Deploy button to activate the rule. And just like that, your rule is live. It might take a second or two to propagate, but once it does, every request to your site will bypass Cloudflare's cache and pull straight from your server. And there you go. You have successfully configured Cloudflare to bypass cache for everything. No more outdated data. No more frustrated users. Just fresh content every single time.